Can this be salvaged after floating in a goddamn creek for a few seconds?
You're going the crazy way. Oh, shit. Are you okay? Your camera, disposable.
No!
Is it still good?
We're about to find out. I took a spill. I'm a really clumsy individual. And for some reason, I thought it would be a wonderful idea to full send off this log. When my friends and I were trying to cross this river to get to a rock at a hike, in my head, I was just stepping off of the log, but watching it back, I just leaped. My brain did not communicate the right steps to my body. So the top of my thigh on my left leg hurt for like a day, and then it was fine. I tucked my neck so I didn't smack my head on the log behind me. Somehow felt no pain. I didn't even hurt my butt. Like, I landed right on my butt. Maybe I'm a pro faller. I've never broken a bone in my body. Knock on wood. That's not wood. My friends are worried about me. They're like, oh no, no, no. And then I turn around and this guy decided to go for a swim. Mind you, I had just shot maybe 3 photos on this thing. So I had another 20 something on it. I didn't attempt to roll the film or anything. I just let it dry. And when we finally had service and I could Google if it would still work, the answers were a little up in the air. But they weren't no. So today, I have 17 more shots on here, and I don't know what's going to happen with them. They may not turn out at all, and this isn't even a video, but if you're watching this, I actually made this a video, and it worked.
I swim 6 seas, leave one waiting to look forward to. Saw your future, I'm fidgeting in the waiting room. And although I'm oversaturated, no, I'm earnest too. And I know I'm eager, but I can't fucking wait for the day that I finally get to kiss you.